How to add individual instructions in eFootball Mobile. If you wish to add individual instructions in eFootball Mobile, first of all, you open up eFootball Mobile and go to your game plan by going to My Team and selecting the option called Game Plan. Now on the left hand side, what you have to do is, depending upon your manager and your playstyle, you can set individual instructions on any manager. So for that, you have to simply tap on your manager profile from the top left hand side, and this is my current manager, and here you can see the option called individual instructions. So go to individual instructions here. The first is, you can set attack 1 over here, and you can choose whether you want the attack 1 to be defensive or anchoring. So there'll be different type of play styles, and for attack 2 also you'll have defensive or anchoring, or you can turn this off. I have set 2 players as defensive because these 2 players tend to move forward a lot, which I don't want. Now if I go to defense tab, I can turn on tight marking within a particular game. I can also turn on man marking within a game after I join a game, or I can set someone as a counter target. Now on eFootball 26 we had the deep line option, but now they removed it because now the playstyle has changed a little bit, so we can select that, and same goes for defense 2 as well. So just depending on what you want, you can go ahead and make sure to select that. And this way you can basically add individual instructions in eFootball Mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.